Are you tired of manually pinning each product? Upload a CSV file to Pinterest in minutes and save hours of work. I will show you exactly where to click, from opening Pinterest to reviewing your uploaded file. Follow these 10 simple steps. So the first step is to open Pinterest. Just go to the website or open the app on your computer. The browser version tends to work best for bulk uploads, so I would recommend using that if you can. Now, once you are logged in, locate your profile icon. It is usually in the top right corner of the screen. It might be a little silhouette of a person or your own profile picture if you have one uploaded. Click on that. From the drop-down menu that appears, go to Settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes controls live for your account. You will see a lot of options here, but do not worry, we are only after one specific thing. In the Settings menu, find and click on Import Content. It is usually listed on the left-hand side under the Data section. This is the gateway for getting your CSV file into Pinterest. Pinterest calls it Import Content, but what you are really doing is telling the platform, hey, I have a list of things I want to turn into pins. On the Import page, click the Upload button. It is a big, friendly button that makes it obvious where to start. This will open up the file uploader. Now, find the option to upload a CSV file specifically. Pinterest will give you a few choices here, but you want the one that says upload.csv file. It might be a button or a link, but it is clearly labeled. Click on the designated upload area. This is typically a large box that says something like click to upload or drag and drop your file here. Just give it a single click and it will open your computer's file browser. Browse your device and select the CSV file that contains all your product or content data. This is the file you have been working on. Make sure it is formatted correctly with the right column headers like title, description, image URL, and destination link. Pinterest has a template you can download if you're not sure, but for now, just select the correct file and click Open. Let the upload complete. This may take a moment depending on how big your file is and how fast your internet connection is. You will see a progress bar or a loading spinner. Just let it do its thing. Do not close the browser tab or navigate away while it is working. Finally, review the uploaded file to ensure everything is correct. Pinterest will show you a summary of what it found in your CSV file. Check the number of rows and make sure all the important columns were recognized. This is your last chance to catch any mistakes before Pinterest processes everything into pins. If something looks off, you can go back, fix your CSV file, and try again. If everything looks good, you are all set. Your CSV file is now uploaded for Pinterest bulk pin creation. You went from being stuck with a spreadsheet and no idea how to move forward to having your data ready to turn into dozens or even hundreds of pins in one go. No more manual pinning. No more wasted time. You can now create all your pins at once and keep your Pinterest strategy running smoothly.